Welcome to the second session of this Moodle workshop. Yesterday, what we have studied, what we have learned, free website creation on moodlecloud.com website. How to create a course in Moodle website, how to add contents on course page like curriculum, e-content, videos, PPT, PDF, etc. Now let us just brief the yesterday's. This is the free website www.moodlecloud.com that we are using. We are not using our domain server at present. What we have done yesterday, created our own website. For example, KBP Make-EME. EME is my course abbreviation. In your case, instead of the make, the department may be different and the abbreviation may be different. .moodlecloud.com. So I think we should keep some uniformity here. There are 5 steps. In first step, you have to fill the personal details, whatever your name, email ID, contact number, etc. You have to decide your website name. That is a KBP Make-EME.moodlecloud.com. It is free to you. Any name you can take here. Then enter verification code on your mobile number. OTP is coming regarding the verification code, and you have to fill that verification code. Now you have to give some password. Normally, password should be very strong. At least one should be capital, one small letter, one numeric, and one special character. And just write down that password somewhere, or you should remember that. And last step is a thanks message, like that. So these 5 steps, already I think you have completed all these 5 steps. Next, what you have done? Registration. After that, registration of free website. So it is necessary here. Next step. And you have to enter, you should enter the name of program. So this, whatever I am going to prepare this, that is for my program, mechanical engineering department. In your case, that may be different. Then next, what you have done here? Create category. What category? Category means what? ME is a category. EJ is a category. E is a category. Like that. So, under ME, as per our MSBT, we can say ME1I, ME2I, ME3I, ME4I, ME5I, ME6I. Suppose your course is of 5th semester. It is not necessary to take all this. You can take only ME5I, like that, or EJ5I. This is one example. But for the HOD, he should take all the ME1I to ME6I. For a teacher, you can take only one subcategory. That is sufficient. So what you have to do? You should go site administration. Remember, there are 2 menus. One is a home. Second one is a site administration. Whenever you are going to prepare your basic structure, you should go first site administration. It is one-time activity. Every time it is not necessary to do it here. For example, my course is in under ME3I. So create a course ME3I under EME, like that. Now what is the flowchart I can say here? Write down the first course full name. There are so many fields are there. Only whatever the required field that I am going to explain. Course full name. My course is engineering metrology. Next, course short name, whatever abbreviation given by MSBT. Course category, under which category it is coming? Under ME, under ME3I. This may be different for your case. Course start date. Our MSBT has given our course start date from 17th of August, like that. Then course ID number. This is nothing but the subject code as per our scheme. Okay. Now next year we are going to continue the same part. In description, it is optional, but here whenever we go for MBA, everywhere you should try to mention COs, UOs like that. So in description, write down all the COs for that course. Choose a file. So student can easily understand which subject is there. Any image you can take, but I will suggest any reference book, not the textbook. So whatever the reference book, upload the image of book here. Course format, yesterday I forgot it because of that some problem was there. You just remember that should be topic format. There are different format are there, weekly format, topic format like that. Our system, MSBT system is not weekly format. There are units are there. In my course, 6 units are there. So topic format. Here, instead of unit, we are calling as a topic. In that number of sections, how many units are there? Suppose there are 5 units. Just type 5. If it is 6 unit, you just type 6. If it is 7 unit, type 7. Save and return. Just here, whatever we have done yesterday, just I am going to summarize that part. Then next here, we should provide our curriculum file. Okay, that is the syllabus. Now in iScheme or in NBA, we are calling as a curriculum. You should go home. Whenever you go home, it is a teacher role, not the site administration role. 2 roles are there. I can say site administration is, let us see. Okay, and teacher role, it is the individual teacher role. So go to the home, click on course. What is my course? Engineering Metrology. In that ME, I can add about 200 courses. Just for example, I have taken only 1 course. Next, click on add an activity or resource. Okay, then it is coming under the resource. So name curriculum of engineering metrology. Choose your file, whatever the file, instead of entire curriculum of all that ME3I, okay, you split that file. I think in the PDF, you know that split option is there. And only whatever the curriculum of your course that you can upload, save and return. So this is just here. Next step here, you have to upload your content. First, we are going to upload the curriculum. That is not coming under any topic. Okay, that is a general part. Curriculum is not coming under any topic or any unit. So above the topic 1 or above the unit 1 here, that should there. Now topic 1, let us rename. As per our system, we are not calling as a topic. Unit. So how to edit? Topic 1 on the right side, edit topic. That option is there. Check custom. If you check this custom, otherwise you cannot rename it. So that's why you have to check box it. Section name, unit 1. So we are going to summary. It is optional, but I think you write down the contents of the unit 1. Whatever the contents. So unit 1, title of unit, contents, save changes. Similarly, you can upload whatever e-content you have created for the student. For example, PPT, video, etc. Whatever of unit 1 say. So go to the home, click on course, engineering metrology, click on add an activity or resource next to unit 1. Okay, at the unit 1, you just click this link, add an activity. It is coming under again here, resource. Name, you can name any name, you can write. PPT on unit 1, PPT on unit 2, like that. Choose file, just select your file. Even there is a facility to download or not, you can provide that. So we are not going so much detail at present here. So that permission, that depends upon you. Choose a file, save and return to course. So this is whatever I have just summarized the yesterday's session. And so yesterday what we have done? We have done the teacher part. Okay, and today what we are going to learn on this second day of the workshop, how to create student account. Okay, and enrollment of student into course. There are two different things are there here. Create a student account. That means suppose students are taking admission. Admission part is a part of office. See, office is going to give the admission. After giving admission, okay, then student is coming to the department and then to the teacher. When teacher knows these are the 60 students are in my class, that is the enrollment. See, so create means giving him admission. So that is not part of the teacher. Remember, what is the part of teacher? Just enrollment. Here. So that are the two things are different here. How to create cohort? What is meant by cohort and group? That we are going to see later. How to send messages to student, particularly by email. And one more facility is required. I think so. Mail merge in Gmail. I think this facility may be known to some of you, but I think it is necessary to take here. So these are sessions. Okay. Whatever part I am going to share with you. If you want, you can write, no problem. But everything will be shared to you, whatever it is here. So if any doubt is there, you can ask anytime. Suppose there is any problem with this screen, okay? Just remind me what should be done, whether it should be Zoom or whatever it should be, that is there. Even whatever I am going to deliver through the Google Meet. So you can directly see on your mobile or laptop also. Okay. So visibility is a problem. Now instead of giving the flow chart, directly I will go to the but what I am going to do first, I have to type my website name. What is my website name? ABP, may correct, dash EME .moodlecloud.com. It is very common. Okay. After that, I am admin. So this should be in a small letter. Remember, admin and password. Whatever the password is there, okay, that should be confidential. Because whenever you are posting something, that should be confidential. That should not be shared with others. And just log in. Okay, I think there are just only remember at present two menu, home and site administration. Okay, don't go for other menu at present. Home means it is for teacher, just for simplicity, and site administration is for the who is going to administrate, say head of department, HOD. But you must know that thing also. Yeah. Whenever I say home, whatever I can see, what is this? First, I can see name of department. Okay, in which department? Available courses. So many courses are there. Not only this. I have taken only one example. So this page, whatever this part, it is called as course page. In Moodle, it is called as course page. Whatever the course part is there. So you can see engineering metrology is there. Whenever same thing is, student can see same thing here. So COs should be there. Whenever the NBA committee is coming, he will see whether you are going with the CO or not. So that's why you must mention whatever the CO are there. Student will be understand at the end of this course. Okay. Then here, similarly, below the engineering metrology, second course may be there. Like that, here, strength of material, thermal engineering. So all the courses, they will be there under, but the name will be KBP MEG, not dash EME, not necessary. Dash EME is because I am only going to use it. Whenever it is going to the use department, only KBP MEG. That we should remember. Now just click here. Whenever I am going to say, click on the course. And this is the image of the book here. Whatever we have uploaded. Not necessary to upload the same. You can upload any picture also, any instrument also here. So just click here. After clicking this, what you can see here? You can see path, home. Under home, courses. Then ME, our first category, ME3I and EME. This is my path here. My first job, turn editing on. At present, initially, uneditably. It is uneditable. So just click here. Whenever we start our website, first click here. Turn editing. Now, you can see one difference here. Add an activity. Okay. So this is editable. Suppose I click again here. What happens here? You cannot see this. The link is disappears. So just click here. Now we can edit it. Curriculum of engineering metrology. Above the unit, whatever the common part is there. Common part. What is the common part? Curriculum is there. Class test is there. Feedback is there. It is not concerned with that unit. Whatever the common part, it is coming above this unit 1. Under unit 1, what you can see? This is the content. So you can see easily what are the contents are there. 1.1, 1.2 like that. Under that unit 1, I have yesterday I uploaded 2 files. One was a PPT, another was video. Here I click here. We can see here, this is a PPT. It is downloaded here. So if you open this, like this. So student can download or student can view that PPT here. Similarly, video. If you click here, whatever the video, because of the speaker is not there, so my sound is very small.
The first unit, that is the introduction to engineering metrology. Let us see the contents. 1.1, definition of metrology, objectives of metrology. 1.2, categories of metrology.
I think in this way you can add whatever the contents regarding this unit 1. Similarly, unit 2, I have not added at present. I think you understand this thing. Okay. And unit 3, unit 4, unit 5, unit 6. There is a one more button, add an activity and add topics. Suppose there is a one more topic, I forgot it. I can add it here. So I think now let us see here today's work. How to create before that, I will just show here. One Excel file. Okay. Is it visible? Is it okay now? Okay. Username. Username means it is the student username. Okay, student username. What is that? SYME1. 1 is the roll number. You can give anything, but we can let us decide. SYME1, that is the roll number 1. SYME2, roll number 2, like that. SYME3 means roll number 3. In your case, FYME, FYJ1, like that. So that is your username. First name, FName1, I have not given any name. Whatever the first name, in my case, it is a Narendra. Last name, whatever, we can add middle name also here. Last name is there. Password is there. Let us decide any password. You can give different password to the different student also. So that is, you can decide. So I have what I have done, one U capital, UDMS, one small letter, one special character, one numeric. At least one should be there. So that is the strong password. Then my email ID here. Similarly, SYME2, SYME3. Okay, let us practice on this part. So what should be done? Now here, whenever you are in problem, what should be done? This is the link. Click on the home. If you cannot see here home, so what should be done? Click here home. Okay. Now there are home and site administration. Whose job is that? Let us decide here. To admit the student, it is not the job of teacher. It is not the job of teacher. So let us click site administration. Okay. So this is our first step. Here, our student, what we are calling as, it is he is our, in whatever website name, it is his user. His user. So user means student. So click on the users. Next step. Okay. Then under the user, so many menus are there. So add a new user. I am going to click here, add a new user. Okay. So again, I will repeat site administration, then users, and then here add a new user. Username. What should be the username? Here. SYME1. Okay. So I can here SYME1. It should be small. It is capital letters are not allowed here. I think don't go here. Manual account, suspended account, like that. Password. Just write the password. UDMS. You can, I think. Okay. UDMS@123. We are giving this password to the student. Is it visible? मोठं करायला पाहिजे का? See, is it okay? Password. One more option is there, force password change. What is the meaning of that? Whenever we are going to fill our mark sheet, okay, MSBT is going to give our some password. But first time we have to change it. That option is there. At present, we are not giving that option. If I click here, student has to compulsory change his password, previous password. Okay, that's why this option is there. I am not going to check this. First name. What is the first name here? FName1. F here capital letters are allowed. FName1. First name 1. Surname LName1. Email address. It is my address here. NB. Okay. rediffmail.com.
It should be of student.
Okay, at present I am student. I have given my address. Okay, I will explain why it is given my letter. City, town, say Satara, India. Okay, already it is previously filled. That's why it is added. Satara is coming and India is coming. Description is whatever. Server time zone, not necessary to change anything here. Okay, let us upload my photo. We can upload the photo of the student. Okay, this is my photo. So what I have done here, I will just repeat again. Username, that should be small letter. Okay, SYB1. In your case, it may be SYEJ1, SYCE1, EYCE1, like that. Just write down the first name and surname. Okay, email address, city, town. Here it is not compulsory, and photo, it is also optional, compulsory. Whenever we are going to take the exam, the photo is appearing. That's why we should upload the photo. And create user. So we are going to create user, means we are going to create the account of student. Now there are two users are there. This is the just created fname1. It is a student account, and this is a my account. It is a teacher account. This is the teacher account. By default, it is should be there, and this is the student account. Okay. Let us practice 2 more times here. What should be done? Go to the home. If you are in confusion, menu. Okay. What should be done next here? Site administration. Okay. Inside administration, users, add a new user. SYME2. Same password. First name, fname2, surname, lname2, email address, okay, I am not going to attach the photo now. Create user. Now there are 3 users are there. fname1, that is the student 1, student 2, and a teacher. Okay, just I will repeat once again, so that site administration, users, add a new user, SYME3, third student, fname3, lname3, Create user. Something is wrong. What is remaining? Password. Correct. So we are not given the password. It is a compulsory. UDMS. Say check here. UDMS @ Okay, this is I. That means visible. You can see the password. Okay. Create. 4 users are there. 3 students and myself. So whatever we have done, we have added the student. Okay. Now we want to see the list here. How can see the list? Go to the site administration. Then users. Okay. Browse list of users. Whatever users we have created, okay, that we can see. Browse list of users. See here. We have created 4 users. So anytime if you want to see the list of student, this is the job of actually the office. Till that users are not with the teacher. Okay. So that you must remember the process. Now I want to add so many students. Suppose 100 students are there. How to add that 100 students? That we are going to see. So let us here. I have one more file. See, username 4. Okay. Now these are our faculty at present. I can say they are student. Okay. So whatever the email address I have collected from yesterday. Okay. These are our users. SYME4. So 8 here. 18, 17 students are there. I want to add at a time all the users. What should be done? That we are going to see here. So username, this title should be in small letter. That you must remember. Title. What is the title? Username, first name, last name, password, email. Whatever this vertical part, that should be small. Here there is no compulsory. First name you can write all the things in capital or only first letter capital, like that. Your email ID should be in the small letter. Password, it should be combination of all. Capital, small letter, numeric, like that. So I think here we have given the same password to the all here. So let us here see how to add. One more thing. This should be saved not in Excel. It should be saved in CSV file. In Excel, okay, there is a CSV, save as CSV, comma, separated values. That should not be Excel. You can see here, SYME student data dot CSV. Okay, suppose you are going to save as Excel. Here you should go dot CSV. Okay, here dot actually there are two MS and I think I don't know the difference between these two, but I think anyone can operate here. At present I am not going to save, but your file, it should be saved as a CSV, not XLS. Okay, so already it is saved. I am not going to change it. That name is the SYME student data. Okay, whatever the data of the faculty I have collected, So what should be done here? Site administration. Next is the users. Under user, upload users. Whenever you select add a new user, I can add one. So click this, upload users, and example.csv. This is the one example is given. You can download this and you can verify also. Okay, if you want to know more about this, choose a file. This is my file, SYME student data.csv. This is very important. It should be comma separated values. Say open and upload this file. And again you say upload, only file is uploaded. Upload users. Next step. Upload users. If there is no any problem, if everything is properly, then all the users, okay, all the users are there. See here, like that. So we can see the entire list here. See here, Kishore Dhanavade, SYME 4, okay, SYME 5, Suraj Jadhav, like that. So this is, you must know your username, password is same here. Okay, 1000 students are admitted. What is the next role? That all the students, they should be separated as per their class. As per their class. Those who are coming in the first year and they are going to select the branch or say we are program. So we are going to say FYJ, FYC, like that. In this Moodle language, it is a group of similar characteristics. Similar. That means what? All students, first year student having the electronics branch, electronics program. Similar characteristic. So that's why in the Moodle language, it is called a cohort. So to create the cohort, what should we do? It is a job of site administration. Okay. So click the site administration. Next step. So what we are going to do? We are going to prepare the class. In short, site administration. Again, we are working with the users. We are working with the student. So click users. Then here, cohorts. Cohorts means what? We are going, cohort means in our language class. It's very simple. Click cohorts. In cohorts, here, system cohorts, all cohorts, add new cohort. We are going to create new class, new cohort. So we should click add new cohort, like this. Now, what should be the name of this cohort? Naturally, let us see all the users. Okay, they are in my class, SYME. So I just type here SYME. I can type here capital, no problem. Okay, name of the cohort. So I can just remember. Suppose there are two class, A division is different, B division different. Then I have to take in A division different student, in B division different student. Okay. First, I am going to give the only heading, name of the class. Students are not added. Just remember. Students are not added. SYME. Then next year, context. In which context I am speaking? ME3I. See, I am going to say regarding the context, all the students SYB, they are from ME3I. Okay. Cohort ID, it is not necessary to give a specific ID. Description, I can say here, SYME 2020, like this. Save changes. Only very few. What I have done here, site administration, users, cohorts. Okay. See here, site administration, users, okay, cohorts. In a user account, cohorts. Add new cohort. Now, click Save Changes. Okay. Our name is here, SYME. Sometimes you may forget about this context. So it should not be happen. Otherwise, there may be some problems are there. So we cannot use the students from ME3I to in the other cohort like that, other class. Description is optional, not compulsory. Save changes. So in cohorts, you can see name SYME. Cohort ID we are not given. Description SYME 2020-21. Cohort size. What is meant by cohort size? It is the size of student. How many students are there? How many students are there? At present there is no any student. We are not added any student. That's why it is a 0. Okay. Now you can delete, edit, everything is there. So these are some words are there. So next we are going to some that class. In Moodle, the language is called as assign. Assign the student. Assign. Where is the assign? Okay. Now see here. What is the name of this button? Hide. Okay. Some letters are small. Just I will read it. This symbol, delete. This symbol, edit. And this symbol, assign. This symbol, assign. So we are going to assign the student. Okay. Assign here. Unfortunately, the users are not coming here. Actually, I have added it. Okay. I have to see that why it is there. Removing users from cohort may result enrolling here. Actually, whatever the bulk addition, that should be there. And they are coming here. Okay, no problem. I will see later in what is the problem. Some problem is there. I am also new with this. So some problems are there. Okay, let us try with this 3 person. Student 1, student 2, student 3. Okay. Okay, what is this? The potential. Whatever I have added, they have not in the potential user. Something is missing. That's why it is happening here. Now just click add. All the students, they are coming in the current users. Potential user is different. Potential user means they are at the office. And current user, they are coming to the department. Students are coming to the department. That is the current users. Just click, select this here. It is not necessary to select the teacher here. Only student. So first student, second student, and third student. Add. Now here we can see 3 students are now current users. Now they are in our SYME class. They are in the SYME class. Okay. Back to cohorts. Back to cohorts. Now see here, name of the cohort, name of the class, SYME, description. Now the size of the class is 3. It is changed. Previously it was 0. So I have added 3 students. So how to prepare the cohort and how to assign the student, it is again the job of the site administration. Okay. Now, what we have done, we have created a student account. Okay. Now that it is added here. Now let us go to the student account. Let us see, at present I am in the teacher account. I want to see student account. On the same laptop, what should be done? मला इथंच स्टुडंट अकाउंट पण बघायचं आहे. बघता येईल तर आपल्याला त्यासाठी काय करायला लागेल? what I have to do? I have to change only the I have taken here Google Chrome. Okay, browser. I have to change the browser only. Very simple. So let us take here Mozilla. So just remember, I am in the Chrome. Chrome means teacher account. Okay, for simplicity, for understanding purpose only. And this is our Mozilla. Now I am going to the student account. What student should see here? Because we are giving in one browser, two different users not allowed. Okay, this is my Mozilla. What student should do? Student has to type the website name. What is the website name? KBP MEC -EME moodlecloud.com. Same thing. Okay. Username. He is not admin. Now he is student. What is the username? In small letter SYME1. SYME1. It was the username. Password. U capital UDMS@123. Login. Student is going to log in, not teacher. Okay. At the beginning, this is a photo of student. At the beginning, it is a privacy notice. Okay. What you have to do here? You have to read. The student has to read this. Whatever their policies are there. Say next. Again, cookies policies. Again, next. 2 times next. Then agree with their policies. Okay, tick the checkbox and next. This is one-time activity for student, not every time. Now, students see here no courses, unable to see any courses. Actually, I have designed the course, curriculum is there. What is the problem? What is wrong? What is wrong with student? I have assigned the username, password. Access is open. That is access. It is correct. Who has not given access? Office has given access. Teacher has not given access. Teacher should access. So whatever office has admitted the student, office has made the class. Now it is the role of teacher. Teacher should permit the student. So what should be done? I have to go to the Chrome. This is the, just I minimize this. I go to the Chrome teacher account. In the teacher account, where I should go? Teacher account. Home, not site administration. Click home. In the then next year, I am the teacher. Name of the teacher. This is my course here. In this course, okay, I have to permit that student. This is my course page. In the course page, only part of the course, that is a curriculum, PPT, video, class test, feedback, everything is coming. My online lecture, quiz. So in this under EAB, participants are there. According to teacher, who is a participant? Students are participant. Students are participant. So just click here, participant. The next part here, enroll users. Enroll users. So click here. He should enroll the users. Now I can enroll from here also, or instead of that, go to the cohort. Instead of one student, go to the cohort. SYME, directly SYME, whole class. I can select. If you want to cancel, click here. SYME. All the students, whatever they enroll selected. Okay. Enroll, I just click. What I have done, select cohorts. I will repeat again. Select SYME. Then enroll selected users and cohorts. Now they are enrolled to the teacher. Students are enrolled to the teacher. See, these are the 3 students are there. Okay. Now student has given the permission to that student to use this my website. Now I will minimize this. I will go here. Again, no courses. Refresh it, F5. Now the course is there. Now just student should click here. That subject, engineering metrology or course. Now you can see, he can see the curriculum. I am in the student account now. Okay. I am in the curriculum of engineering metrology. Just click here. The curriculum is available. Then unit 1, whatever the contents are there, you can easily see the contents. Suppose you want my PPT, just click here. You want my video, click here. He has not allowed to add anything. He is a viewer. So there is no any button, add and resource activity or like that. Unit 2, Unit 3, Unit 4, Unit 5, Unit 6, like that. So in this way, student account, he can easily see whatever the e-contents available at home. So this is the role of student and role of site administration here. Now I will come here again. Just I have to see here inside administration. I have already bulk users are there, but they are coming in they are not coming. Browse list of users. Only 3 users are there. Okay. Something is wrong. I cannot add. Otherwise, again, I will just see here users. Bulk user actions. I think this is remaining. No, that is not also. Site administration, users, user management, user profile, cohort. Upload, already I have uploaded. User man, just I will check here. Okay. So today, whatever we have seen, we have created the student. First, we have added the student. Okay. We can add the student one by one. We can add the student in bulk. Then next, prepare the cohort. Okay. In cohort, site administration, users, then we assign it. Okay, assign to the class. And then next most important role is that teacher should allow the student. Now one more problem is there. How I can send the user ID and password to the student? According to my knowledge, okay, that is facility. As per my knowledge, it is not in Moodle. Password is different, maybe different. Username, something should be different. So username and password, it should be sent to the student. This is the one thing. So let us see here. Can we give some message to the student? I will come to the here home. How can be the message can be given to the student? In the home, I should click. This is a teacher account. One thing. Okay. Now these are my participant. Participant means these are my students. Students are there. Now there are 3 students. I can select the student, okay, and I can give the message with selected users. Send a message. I can, dear student, I can write message to student. Dear student, our Moodle website website KBP make dash eme dot Moodle cloud.com is ready. The teacher is going to give message to the student like that. Okay. Again, I will repeat what I have done here. Participant. In participant, what I have done here, select all the student. Okay. After selection with selected user, you can select here, send a message. Send a message. You can write any message like this. Dear student, our Moodle website kbpmake-eme.moodle cloud is ready. Okay. Send message to 3 people. That is the 3 student. Now what is happening here? Let us see here. I will minimize this. Okay. And this is the student account. It is taking much time. Actually, Gmail is not going to take this much time. Let's check the it is also there. I think there's a problem with internet. Let us hotspot. I'm going. Okay, no problem. Message is not there. Actually, the message should be here. This is my account, kbpgmail.com. I think the same account is given here, student account. Just I will check it. gmail.com, it is correct. I think I'm going to refresh it. That may be the Moodle server problem or Gmail problem. Like that. Okay. We can give the message to all the students. There is no problem. Any time. Very simple. But how to give the different message, that is the username and password, to the different student? Okay. First student, the username may be different. In our case, the username is different. For this case, SYME1, SYME2, SYME3. I think as per my knowledge in Moodle, there is that is solution is not there. Can you give me any idea? What can we do? Moodle मध्ये yes
There is a facility to generate and notify.
आहे. Yes, please.
Add a new user.
कुठे जायचंय?
New user add.
हा,
New user add.
न्यू युजर ऍड करायचे आपण. ठीक आहे. Let us go to the site administration. Okay, I am getting some new things here. Users, add a new user. Say SYME 50. Okay. SYME 50. Okay. Suppose HODME. Okay. .in. Okay. Oh no, this will not allowed. Actually, I will give another redditmail.com. Okay. So we should give, I think, generate password and notify user. Okay, it is correct. So whatever the, I have to write the password. Automatically generated. Okay. The password will be automatic. We are not going to type it. So, okay. Let us check. I think this is new for me. Create user. Let us check here. My Gmail. Please tell your Amit NEWVASCAM. Okay. Okay, please check. Got it. Okay. So this is a very good idea. Both username and also password. Yes. So we can notify the ID and password in this way also. I have one more idea, but not necessary. Mail merge in Gmail, but I think it is not necessary here. Already the facilities in Moodle. So we can say it is necessary to send the username and password to the student. Only what we have to do, we have to check it. So today, in the today's session, only we are going to add the student, enroll the student, and send the message to the student. That is only today's part here. If any doubt is there, or if you want to share anything, you can share also. मगाचा एक प्रॉब्लेम मला नाही लक्षात, तुमच्या लक्षात आलं का देवसी सर? हा, एक मिनिट. वन मोर थिंग. कुठे जायचंय आपण? साइट ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेशन. साइट ऍडमिनिस्ट्रेशन जायचंय. त्यानंतर युजर्स अपलोड केलं होतं ना आपण? एक राहिली होती का? अपलोड युजर्स. बर, अपलोड युजर मध्ये आपण काय करायचंय, चूज ए फाईल, चूज SYME ही फाईल आपल्याला आहे. ओपन, अपलोड दिस फाईल, अपलोड युजर्स केलं होतं असं मला वाटतं. बरं ठीक आहे, आणखीन काय राहते का स्टेप? आणखीन एक खाली राहिले का? आणखीन एकदा आहे, दोनदा आहे, 2 times अपलोड युजर्स. ओके ओके, नाउ स्टुडंट्स आर देअर. ओके, नाउ I have to add the cohort. Okay, site administration, because only 3 students are in the cohort. Users, cohorts, all cohorts, only size is 3. Okay, assign. Just add here. This is a teacher account, so I remove this. Back to cohort. Okay, so we have added all the teacher. Okay, now can we notify it? Sir, initially I have, is it possible to notify the, just I have add केलेलं आहे. आता काय करता येईल का? तेव्हाच करायला पाहिजे. बर, आता आपण केलेलं आहे ते आता करता येणार नाहीये. माझं असं मत आहे की ज्यांना प्रॅक्टिस करायची आहे ऍज ए स्टुडंट त्यांना मी सांगतो, धनवडे सर SYME4 तुमचं युजर नेम. ओके, तुम्ही बघू शकता. जाधव सर SYME5, येवले सर 6, मोमीन सर 7, लोरे सर 8, वाघमोडे सर 9, गुजर सर, अतुल गुजर सर 10, कुंभार सर 11, जगताप सर 12, शैलेंद्र कुमार, जगताप सर 12, पाटील सर 13, सबनीस सर 14, वर्षा यादव मैडम 15, कुंभार सर 16, पाटील मैडम 17, भोसले सर 18, SYME 18, SYME 19, गाडे सर आणि शेरकर सर 20. मी आता हे करण्यापेक्षा तुम्ही लक्षात घ्या, ऍज ए स्टुडंट तुम्ही काय करायचंय, वेबसाईट ओपन करा, KBPMake-EME ओपन करा. ओपन केल्यानंतर युजर नेम सांगितलेलं आहे, पासवर्ड सगळ्यांचा एकच आहे, UDMS@123. मी तुम्हाला एक नंतर हे करतो, फार तर मेल करतो. मेलमर्ज एक फॅसिलिटी आहे जीमेल मध्ये, त्याच्यानंतर तुम्हाला मी आता ऑलरेडी आपण झालेल्यामुळे मला आता मेलमर्ज करायला लागेल. मेलमर्ज करतो मी आणि तुम्ही ऍज ए स्टुडंट काय काय दिसते तुम्ही बघू शकता. म्हणजे त्यासाठी काल मी तुम्हाला सांगितलं तुमची ईमेल आयडी द्या, म्हणजे तुम्हाला ऍक्च्युली त्या वेबसाईटवर कोर्स पेज मध्ये काय असतंय तुम्हाला कळेल. मला वाटतं आता तर सांगितल्याशिवाय नंतर मी तुम्हाला करतो. इफ एनीबडी वॉन्ट टू ऍड एनिथिंग प्लीज. एनी क्वेश्चन? So I think let us stop here. Tomorrow we are going to take how to prepare the grade book and how to conduct the test, how to conduct the exam. and result. Assessment is there tomorrow. So for that purpose, whatever we have learned in these 2 days, okay, just recall it. I will share whatever I have. Okay, you go through it, please. So thank you for patient listening. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.